In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip your camera during a Google Meet session. Sometimes when you're in a video call, having the right camera perspective is essential for effective communication, and this guide will walk you through the steps to use a simple extension to achieve that. By the end of this video, you will be able to reverse your camera view, which can help with mirroring presentations, or simply making the video chat more intuitive. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Meet homepage. It's important to ensure that you're logged into the Google account that you use for your video calls. The Google Meet homepage is your starting point, and from there you can access various apps through Google's service menu. Next, we need to use the services provided by Google. Look towards the top right corner of the Google homepage where you'll find the waffle icon, which resembles a small grid of dots. This icon allows you to navigate between Google's various applications. Click on this waffle icon to reveal the menu. Once the menu is open, scan through the list to find the Chrome Web Store and click on it. The Chrome Web Store is a repository of extensions and themes that you can add to your Google Chrome browser. These extensions can significantly enhance your browsing and online meeting experience. Now on to step 4. Within the Chrome Web Store, you'll want to search for the term flip camera. In the search bar, enter these keywords to find extensions specifically designed for this function. Searching for these terms should bring up several options tailored to our needs. Let's focus on a particular tool that's useful for our purpose. Google Meet Mirror. Locate this extension and click on it in the search results. Google Meet Mirror is a dedicated tool designed to flip your camera view easily and effectively during your calls. It takes away the complexities and allows you to handle this task with just a couple of clicks. Clicking on Google Meet Mirror will take you to the extensions page, where you can learn more about its features and verify its compatibility with your browser. If the details align with what you need, go ahead and install the extension. Most extensions will have a clear Add to Chrome button, which you can click to start the installation process. After installing, it's a good idea to test it out in a meeting environment to ensure it functions correctly. With everything now in place, open a Google Meet session and test the mirror functionality. You should see the camera perspective reversed, and you can toggle this during your calls as needed. This feature will allow you to position yourself or present your materials in a mirrored fashion, making interactions smoother and more coherent. And there you have it, a straightforward method to flip your camera during Google Meet sessions by using a browser extension. This little adjustment can make a big difference in your video calls. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips.